Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to power off and on your iPhone 6s or 6s Plus. So let's get started. Now the simple and the easiest way to do it using the buttons is you're going to hold this power button for about a few seconds or until this menu pops up. So you have to press and hold it. You can't let go. Here, as you can see, if I press and hold, a menu like this pops up where I can just slide to power off. So that's going to be method number one. Now, for some reason that button isn't working, there's actually another way through the software. So you go into your setting on your iPhone. From there on, you just simply go to General, scroll down a little bit further where it says Shutdown, and that'll also bring this menu where you can slide to power off your iPhone 6s Plus or the 6s. Now, once it's been shut down, which will take about maybe 15-20 seconds, somewhere around there, you can turn it back on in two different ways. The simplest and the easiest is going to be using that power button. You just press and hold until you see the Apple logo appear. Now, if that isn't working, the other thing you can do is connect it to the charger like you would be charging it. What will happen is whenever it's connected to a charger, it automatically knows to turn back on if it's already turned off. It's just the way the iPhones are designed. So those are two different ways to power off and on your iPhone 6S and 6S Plus. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.